Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be creating this very pretty Indian traditional makeup look featuring a gold and sunset halo eye with a bold lip. So if you wanna know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm starting out with some skincare by cleansing my face with the micellar water. I'm using its oil variant. If you have an oily skin type, please feel free to use the oil free variant. Post cleansing, I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 hours to moisturize my skin. And to hydrate my under eye area, I'm using the Indulgeo's Rejuvenating Eye Serum. And for my lips, I'm using the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. Post these steps, I like to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness of the skincare I just did. Post that, I'm spraying my face with the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. To prime my face, I'm using the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer all over my face. And to fill in the pores, I'm using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer in the areas where I have enlarged pores like my forehead area, my nosy and my under eye area. To neutralize the pigmentation around my mouth and around my cheekbones area, I'm using the Miss Claire color corrector in the shade orange. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 228. This is an exact match to my skin tone. To blend it, I'm using my damn beauty blender. Because the summers are here and my skin doesn't feel supremely dry, I've decided to go with a matte foundation. However, if your skin feels dry, you can go for its dewy variant. To brighten the areas like my forehead, chin, under eye area and nosy, I like to use a matte foundation in summers. This one's a matte poreless foundation in the shade 125 by Maybelline. This one is 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I avoid using concealers in summer as they feel heavy on my skin, especially during the summertime, and I like my base makeup to be a little more breathable. To blend the foundation, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To bring some structure and dimension to my face, I'm using the Contour Kit by L'Oreal in the usual areas like my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and the sides of my nose. To blend the product in, I'm using my angled brush. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I am using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and to blend it, I am using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. For blush, I am dipping into this corally pink shade from the Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette with my powder brush. And for highlighter, I am dipping into the shade Summer from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by APH Cosmetics with my fan brush. To set the areas where I creased most, I am using the new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one's by Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prep. And for my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread the color across, I'm using a spoolie. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. And to set the concealer in place, I'm using the new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. For eyes, I'm starting out by depositing the shade Burnt Orange from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics in the outer corner, dragging it towards the inner corner with my pack brush in the style 126, and to blend it, I'm using my blending brush by APH Cosmetics. To further deepen my outer corner and my inner corner, I'm picking up the shade Sienna from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics and dragging it from the outer corner to the inner corner with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it with my blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For the middle of my lid, I'm using this gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat brush by APH Cosmetics. To further brighten the middle of my lid, I am picking up this yellowish gold shade from the Soft Glam palette and placing it right on top of the gold shade I used earlier with my flat short shader brush. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat short shader brush. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out the shade Sienna from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126. And to line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For my waterline, I'm using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And I'm smudging the kajal using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For lipstick, I'm using this deep magenta shade, which is Read My Lips by Faces Canada. And for falsies, I'm using the Adult Double Up Lashes in the style 206. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a yellow suit, some colorful dupatta, some traditional earrings and a bindi. I love such traditional looks. They are so classic and timeless. They never go out of style. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.